In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mine obsidian in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To mine obsidian in Minecraft, you need the correct tool first. Make sure you have either a diamond pickaxe or a netherite pickaxe in your inventory. These are the only pickaxes that can successfully mine obsidian and drop the block as an item. If you use a wooden, stone, iron, or gold pickaxe, the obsidian will break without dropping anything, so always check your tool before you begin. Next, find an obsidian block. Obsidian is usually found near lava pools, especially in caves, ravines, or underground lava lakes. It forms when water touches a lava source block. When you spot obsidian, take a moment to look around the area. Since lava is often very close, it is important to make sure you have a safe place to stand while mining. If needed, place a few solid blocks around the area so you do not fall in and so the dropped obsidian does not land in lava. Once you are in position, equip your diamond pickaxe or netherite pickaxe and face the obsidian block. Hold down the mine button and keep mining until the block fully breaks. Obsidian takes longer to mine than many other blocks, so do not stop too early. Keep holding the button steadily until the breaking animation finishes and the item drops. As soon as the obsidian drops, move forward and collect it right away. This part is important if lava is nearby. If the item falls into lava before you pick it up, it can be destroyed and you will lose it. To avoid that, try to mine from a safe angle and make sure there is a clear area where the dropped block can land. If you plan to mine several obsidian blocks, repeat the same process for each one. Keep your footing secure. Watch for lava around the edges and use the correct pickaxe every time. Mining obsidian is simple once you are prepared, but using the wrong tool or standing too close to lava can cost you the block. That is the full process. Use a diamond or netherite pickaxe, find obsidian near lava, mine it completely, and pick it up before it falls into danger. That covers everything you need to know.